Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me, and in this video you will see how to crochet beaded 5-petal flower. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Work into the ring. Make 10 half double crochet with seed bead into the ring. For this, make a chain, then chain more. Take seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the ring, make half double crochet 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once I have done 10 half double crochet into the ring, I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make slip stitch and pull it. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make a chain, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, make single crochet. Chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip 1 stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet. Continue. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make single crochet into the second stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 5 such chain spaces. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. It is going to be a round of petals. Make a chain. Make single crochet into the chain space. Make chains. 1, 2, 3 chains. Take seed beads. Yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the chain space, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through loops on the hook. Well done. Make a chain. In this row I am working with simple stitches. Yarn over the hook. I'm going to work between my seed beads. Insert the hook. And pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the space, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through loops on the hook. So I am working in Tunisian style. Here what I have at this point. I continue working on my petal. I'm working with next row. It is going to be a row with seed beads. So each row will be longer than the previous one. In this case I have got 3 seed beads and there are 4 seed beads in this row. Make a chain, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook between. This is my chain. I insert the hook between the chain and stitch. Pull up a loop. 1. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook between stitches. Pull up a loop. 2. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook between stitches. 3. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Here what I have. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Well done. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook between these stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through loops on the hook. Here what I have. Make a chain. Work with seed beads in this row. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook between chain and threads, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The number of seed beads is differently in this row. In this case I have got 5 seed beads. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through loops on the hook. Continue, make a chain, yarn over the hook, and work without seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through loops on the hook. Here are 3, 4, 5 seed beads, and let's make the last row. It is going to be row with 6 seed beads. Make a chain, pull it, yarn over with seed beads, insert the hook between chain and threads, pull up a loop 1, and make as usual. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 into the chain space. Here what I have. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through all loops on the hook. Here what I have at this point. My beautiful petal is almost ready, but I still need to continue. For this, make a picot. For this, make chain of 4. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make slip stitch. My picot is ready. Then work with slip stitches in this way. Then I will show you how to start the next petal. Insert the hook into the loop. Make first slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make the 6th one. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. My amazing petal is ready. It is very simple and beautiful at the same time. Let's crochet the second petal. In total it should be 5 petals. I will start the second one. You should continue working with your own. Work into the chain space, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop 1, 2, and 3 into the chain space. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through loops on the hook. Then chain and so on. I remind you, in total it should be 5 of them. I am done all 5 petals. And now I show you how to complete my flower. Once I have done the last single crochet into the chain space, I have already cut off my yarn. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain, and pull it. Let's look at the back side. I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower using the crochet hook or sewing needle. I just leave this long piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center of the flower. So that's it, my cute flower is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. It consists of 5 petals. Let's look at the back side. Each petal made in Tunisian crochet technique and seed beads. If you don't like seed beads, you can choose another kind of flower. If you don't like seed beads, you can choose any flower from my video tutorials. The playlist could be found in the description of this video tutorial. And all additional information about the tools, useful links, could be found in the description of each video tutorial as well. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. Let's look at this cord. I made this cord in the same technique. You can combine them and create a cute project. The link on this cord could be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can sew 2 pieces together and you will get amazing choker or decoration necklace or belt. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my creations. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!